Hey guys, Laura from Outdoor Kitchen Tupper Style. I'm back again, and this time I'm making some fresh homemade salsa, very easy, with the Power Chef, and I will show you how to do that. So, I have my Power Chef right here. I don't leave home without it. I have one at home and it's red. It's the newer version, but I have my nice little trusted blue colored one for my camping. I've been using it for a long time and it's never failed me. I absolutely love it. So this stays in my outdoor kitchen. So anyways, I'm going to be making salsa today, and I'm going to dump some tomatoes into here. As you can see, it's got a little blade type system that comes with it for this. It does also come with a little paddle. I use those for like mixing pancake mixes or anything else like that, but I'm not going to use that today. So we'll just dump our tomatoes in there. And as you can see, they are not chopped, they're stewed. Then we're going to dump probably about 2 tablespoons of jalapenos. I've already chopped them, and then about a 1/4 cup of onion. These little chopping boards are perfect for camping. They come in a package of 3, and they're very small, but they come in very handy. I absolutely love them. They fit in my outdoor kitchen just perfect. So we're going to dump this in here. And then about 3 tablespoons, or teaspoons, excuse me, of lime juice. I've already pre-squeezed it, so it's going to go in here. Cilantro, you don't have to put cilantro in there, but I'm a huge cilantro fan, so I love it, so I'm going to put it in there a little bit more than what it called for. About a clove of garlic. I put a little bit more in there. I use minced because it's a little easier for me when I'm out camping. And then just some salt and pepper. By the way, these little small containers are from Tupperware. You can use them for a whole bunch of different things. I use them for my little seasonings that are pre-measured that make it really super easy to do this on the go. But people put vitamins in them, whatever. It's just super easy, and so I really like these things. They come with little lids. Alright, so I've got my salsa all ready to go. I'm going to pop my top on. And then this little thing has a pull handle. No electricity required, once again, so I can use this out in the woods anywhere. Just screw it on like that, and then you start pulling. You can always pop it off to check. That looks about right, so I'm going to show you what that looks like. And look at how easy that is to make homemade salsa in the middle of nowhere. Pull this out. And look at that. That's homemade salsa in a matter of literally 2 minutes. And then I'd also like to show you something else really cool from Tupperware that I bring along with me. It's called the Chip and Dip set. It's this little thing right here. They come with 2 little bowls that actually attach. They do have lids so that you can take it anywhere you go. I use these for big parties when we're out in the woods and have a whole bunch of people around. This is super great for it. Cleans up really easy. I'm just going to dump a little bit of my salsa into this. And as you can see, this is going to fill up pretty much both of these little containers. I do sometimes use one for guacamole and another one for salsa. Tonight I'm doing salsa. And then the chips go in the middle. And there you go. In the middle of the woods, you've got a whole little serving... Hi, honey.
Hi.
A whole little serving tray. And you can...
That's good.
Good stuff?
That's real good.
All right. 5 minutes or less, huh?
I think I need to show these guys how to make a Tupperita
To go with it?
to go with it.
All right. Thanks for watching, guys. That's the chip and dip set and the fresh salsa with the Power Chef.